Hello YouTube, welcome back guys. And in the last video I show you how you can create this small HTML pages with a table and all those things. And today we are going to create a database for our this table, and we will also do some code refactoring because in the index.php page got lot of code, so it's not very easy to read. Okay, so we will just make it more readable for us and for our reader. So let's create the database first. So in a database for in a one server we can use a local host then PHP my admin. I can go through this URL, or in the one server if you click here you can see the PHP my admin. You can click here and also you can go direct to the database. So let's just okay, so here is our database, and you guys already saw that I don't have any password for my database, and I'll let my database is like default setting. So my username is also root, so root is my username and there is no password. So now we are going to create a new database, and the database name is, I said, user info, and create the database. So you can see the database is here, also you can see the database is here. So let's create the database first. Inside the database we don't have any table, so we need a table. So our table name is user data. So how many columns we need? So let's check it out guys. So this is our 1 2 3 4 and 5. We need totally 5 columns. This column is actually we will do is manually to create, edit or update and delete and all those things. So we don't need anything to retrieve data is here. We just need to retrieve data here, here, here and here. Okay, so 5 columns we need. So we just take 5 columns and go. So first column is our ID, and this ID the type is integer, right guys? And the value we are putting just simply, let's say 70. Okay, and the 70, and then this one AI is auto increment, so our ID will auto increment. Okay, and this one will be our primary key. Let's come to the second one is our name. The name is the type is varchar, varchar, whatever you guys said. I said varchar. Okay, so varchar, and we just simply put is 70 or something. Okay, and then our need email. So email also varchar because is the text. Okay, and the value is, I said, 120, and then age is integer. I put simply 30, and then we need skill. Okay, skill also varchar, and the varchar I said is 255. So the 255 is the highest value. Okay, you guys maybe knows. Okay, so this is our table structure. Okay, this one called table structure. So our table structure is also okay. So we just saved our table. Okay, so save. You can see in the user info database got user data table. Okay, and table has no information, but you can see the structure is here: ID, name, email, MS, skill. So if we want to put normally or manually the data inside our table, so let's go insert and we just delete. ID is auto increment, so no need to put any value. Okay, name, whatever name is where, we don't copy, we just do another name. Let's say William. The email is william@gmail.com, and age is 29, and the skill is let's say HTML. And then just uncheck this ignore button and click another one. The name is, let's say, proc proc@gmail.com. The age is 29 and the skill is Java. Okay, so go. So here you can browse here structure, and in the browse you can see the data, right? Name, email, age, and skills and ID. Okay, so our database is already created. We already created our database. We also insert two data is manually. Okay, then here we are not retrieving data now. So what we do here, we just take a new page here. So Control N, we taking new page, and from index page we move our until content. Okay, until content we just move to our new page is here, and we save it, and we say this header.php. okay, this one is header.php, and go to index.php, and you can see this one is the content div. So Control X, we are taking another new page. We just Control S is footer.php. okay guys, so we have a header and footer information different, and in the index page is only just the content. But now let's say we saved our index page also, and if we go our browser and if we reload this page, you can see the only the content, but the no design is nothing. So what we need to do, we have to use a PHP. So we need to use a PHP and said include. So we are using include code and said header.php. okay, so now it's including the header.php. you can see, but there is no footer, right? Because we haven't include the footer. So here we need to include the footer.php. okay, so footer, because header and footer we are not doing anything, so better just leave them separate, so we can play with our just the content. We just can play with our content only. okay, so I think it's enough for this video. We already knows how to create the database and how to upload the data in a manually, and how to code refactor, and how to use this include code for to including another file. okay, so I talk to you in the next video. Till then, have fun and keep learning, and thanks for watching this video. I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.